All right, guys. Today we're going to talk about powers of 10. We're continuing on what we talked about last week. We're multiplying by powers of 10, and we're even going to divide a little bit by powers of 10, okay? So let's look at number 3. Actually, this is number 1. Okay, I want you to do a one-finger space between the number and where we're going to write the digit at. So this is going to be 1,287 and 32 hundredths times 10 to the second power. Okay, you're probably thinking, Miss Willingham, why do we do a one-finger space like we're in kindergarten? Well, it's because our number is going to get bigger, and underneath I want us to have plenty of room to move and shift that digit, okay? First things that we're going to do is we're going to first move the decimal down, drop the decimal, and then this is going to seem silly, but we're going to draw places for all the numbers that we already have. Okay? If we multiply a number by a power of 10, our number, our answer, the product, is going to get what? Bigger or smaller? Bigger. It's going to get bigger. So I'm going to add how many places to the left of my decimal? 2. I'm going to add 2 place values, 2 place holders, 2 places, whatever it is that you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to take my 1 because that's the first digit, and I'm going to make it 10 to the second time bigger. 10 to the second power bigger. What is 10 to the second power? What is that? It's just 100. So that's what I'm doing with this number. I'm making it 100 times greater than it is. So we're going to shift our numbers. All of our digits are going to essentially shift. But I'm starting with this first one. 1, 2. So my 1 is going to go, what place value is that? Does anyone know? 100 thousands. My 1 is going to be in my 100 thousands place. What comes after my 1? 2. What's after 2? 8. What's after 8? 7. Oh, and I'm left with 2 spaces that are empty. What goes in those 2 empty spaces? Oh, I still got to write 32. Some of y'all, I tricked you by thinking it was 0. But I still have digits over here that I've got to write down. So 1, 2, 8, 7, 3, 2. Then, if it's bothering you and you want to fill these spaces with something, you could put zeros there. It's okay. So our new number is going to be, let's read this together, 128,732. Questions about that? Okay, let's do another one. I want you guys to try this one on your own, okay? Number 2. One finger space. 549 and 8/10 times 10 to the second power. I'm going to give you a minute to try it on your own. If you're watching the video, you can pause and answer it. But I want my friends, I want you guys to try this one on your own. Can someone tell me what we're going to do first?
Move our 5 2 places.
Not yet.
Drop the decimal.
Drop that decimal. We're agreeing. I see it. We're agreeing. What do I do after I drop the decimal? Thumbs in front of chest, please.
You get your 5 and you move it over 2 place values.
Before I do that, though,
You gotta do your little space.
I need to draw my spaces that I already have. So I have a space in the 10th place. I've got a 1s, 10s, 100s. How many spaces do I need to add?
2 more.
2 to the what direction? Right or left of my decimal? Left. 1, 2. Now, what do I do?
You multiply and you move your 5 to 2 places over and every number follows it.
Thank you. When you multiply by 10 to the second power, I'm going to move my digits over 2 places to the left and everything else follows. So I have a 5, 4,
a
9, 8.
0,
Now I have a 0.
and you can put a 0 there if you want.
You can put a 0 there if you want to, but you don't have to. So my new number is 54,980. Questions? All right. That's how it's done.